Welcome back to my channel. The key suspect in the assassination of the Asian president is currently in police custody in Jamaica. He fled to Jamaica to hide and was caught. So here is a similar case. Leela Season, an immigrant from Bangladesh, waived her right to fight her extradition and agreed to return to Canada to stand trial. Ms. Season, who reportedly fled to Jamaica in July, was arrested 2 weeks ago while preparing to board an outgoing flight to Germany at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. She is wanted in Canada on charges of forgery, uttering forged documents, and abduction of a child. It's reported that Miss Season, who was locked in a custody battle over the child, fled Canada with the child to Jamaica. She was nabbed by the local police after an extradition warrant was issued for her arrest. This is an update. The two policemen who were injured in a motor vehicle collision in Linstead, St. Catherine, which claimed the life of another colleague and cult pastor Kevin Smith, are on the mend. One of the police officers is discharged from hospital. However, the other policeman remains hospitalized but is recovering. So that is good news. Thanks for watching, for subscribing, sharing my videos, liking my videos, leaving comments. Remember to click the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I uploaded a new video to this channel. And remember that if the news ain't credible, I'm not gonna upload it. You will get only credible news on this channel. Walk good.